Welcome back, everyone. We'll be doing a quick little video on how to change the bushing for the sway bar link under the 2000 Ford Excursion lifted. It's a lot easier to work under these things because the lift, it just makes it so much easier. So the reason I'm changing these are due to this. Very old, broken up, just dry rotted. If you can do this, it needs to be changed. You're going to need a 13mm socket, breaker bar, because it's going to be a little tight. So easily break these off. I already loosened them a little bit. So, and then if you have a power tool like this, it'll make things go a lot easier. Just a quick that. The other one. We just pull this piece off. And you always want to check to see if it needs any cleaning. If it does, do so with a wire brush or anything. This one looks pretty clean, not that bad. This thing, on the other hand, pretty damaged up. As you can see, it's totally gone. We are changing them with these great Moog bushings. These come in pairs, really good price, really good quality, definitely highly recommended. They're really good parts, and check them out. Moog does a very good job with their quality, and they're always made in USA. So, great product. First thing you want to do, get a little bit of grease. We'll get some grease there. Just a little bit, not too much. Some of these other companies will send you a little pack of grease with it, but I like to use my own. And this grease that I have, it's actually marine, for marine like boats and underwater stuff, and it works pretty good, seeing that this thing is going to be under the car, you know, due to rain or snow or anything. And it is, you know, off-road vehicle, 4x4, so it's good to have the marine version of the grease. It's better. So you go like that. Always put the cut underneath in the bottom. We set these up. These go there. Put this thing on. Tuck it in. Hand tie first, just a little bit so it catches on. The bottom one's going to be a little bit tougher. It should go on pretty smooth. Now again, since I have, you know, power tool, it makes things a lot faster. So just do nice easy. Now some of these things you do want to torque. So if you guys know, you know, the torque specs, go ahead and do so. With mine, I just get them nice and tight in there. I change these quite often, so I've done it in other vehicles. Should be nice and snug, and no more rattle. And that's how you change a sway bar bushing. For Ford, most of them, I mean, F-150, F-250, F-350, in this case Excursion. Pretty simple. This will not make any more noise, no movement, and it will be nice and tight underneath. And for video purposes, I mean, I already had the other side changed, so you can see that one's already been done. And that's how you change the sway bar bushing. Hope this helped, and if you guys have any comments, questions, just leave them below. See you next time.